You're losing, you're frustrated, you're starting to think this whole thing just isn't for you. But the truth, most people quit right before it actually starts working.
This is the MaxBot channel.
I've been in this space long enough to know that trading doesn't reward the fastest learner. It rewards the most disciplined one. If you felt like nothing is clicking, like everyone else is moving faster, this is for you, because I've been there. By the way, I'm now using cool modern AI tools to improve the quality of my work. I am helped by a robot that generates detailed reports on indicators in real time. It gives me recommendations. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. And now I'm getting to work. Australian dollar to yen, 5 minutes. The robot gave me a signal dash and active buy. 6 indicators are green. According to the historical data, I saw the price growth within the sideways movement in the past hour and almost even distribution of volumes between bulls and bears. I think that the buyers will not weaken their positions yet and will be able to take advantage of the rebound from the support zone. I have accelerated the price movement for easy viewing. Folks, so you don't miss out on new useful content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Give us a like and comment. Your feedback is important to us. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free.
10 years ago, I opened my first real account. No plan, no structure. I watched a few videos, copied random entries, doubled down after a loss, and convinced myself I was just one win away. It wasn't trading, it was chaos disguised as ambition. By month 2, I'd blown 70% of my account. And I wasn't just losing money, I was losing confidence. I started questioning if I was just not the type for this. But I realized I never gave myself a chance because I never had a real strategy. Here's the problem. Most traders think growth comes from getting better at picking entries. It doesn't. It comes from risk management. If you're trading with 10%, 15%, or more of your account on a single position, you've already lost. Even if the trade wins, it's like running a marathon in sprint mode. You might win the first lap, but you won't last the race. Professional traders don't bet big. They go in light. 1 to 2% of their account per trade. That's how you protect your capital. That's how you get consistent. That's how you get confident. You don't need to guess. You need to measure. Look at athletes. Steph Curry didn't throw half-court shots all day. He hit thousands of boring, quiet free throws to get consistent. This is the same. Show up with a system. Track your moves. Improve based on real feedback, not emotions. And if you don't have time to analyze charts all day, I get it. That's where our Signal Assistant comes in. This is not a bot that trades for you. It's a smart tool that highlights potential setups and helps you stay focused on high-quality entries. You make the final call. You manage your risk. It just makes the decision process more clear, more efficient, and less emotional. And for now, it's free. So if you want to test it, the link is in the description. No pressure, no promises, just information. In the meantime, I completed my first trade for the day. Yes, the robot helped me to look at the situation in a cool and transparent way. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, link below the video. It's time to take another step. My investment is $1,000. As part of money management, the bot told me, active purchase. On the historical data chart, I see that the bulls continue to form a global trend to the upside within the corridor. I think the oversold momentum now will allow them to push off the support zone again. Friends, I want to bring to your attention again that we help with education. To chat about education, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with education for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary.
They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand.
I received a signal on AUDJPY, clear structure, strength indication, entry zone highlighted. Watched the candle, took the position. 5 minutes later, solid finish. Not magic, just structured work, done right. Again, I'm not saying this will solve everything, but it's a helpful assistant for those who actually want to do this seriously. And again, free access will end this month. Now you can grab this tool for free and forever. Once we roll into paid mode, access will be limited. If you're watching this now, this might be your only window to try it risk-free. If this video gave you clarity, drop a like. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. And if you're serious about trading, join the Telegram channel. Everything's in the description. Now let me ask you something directly. What's your approach to risk management? Are you using fixed percentages, dynamic position sizing? What indicators have actually helped you? Comment below. I read every one, not just for the algorithm, for the insights, for the culture we're building. Let me leave you with this. I know people, real people, who left their 9-to-5 jobs because they took trading seriously, not quickly, not recklessly. They built skills, habits, and a system. Now they live life on their terms. And that's not hype, that's consistency. Yes, trading carries risk. So does business. So does launching a startup. There's risk in staying average too. There's risk in giving up. If you're trading with $100, you're making 80 cents per win at 1% per entry. But if you're trading with $1,000, that's $8 per win. Same effort, more results. So if you can afford to deposit more, do it smart. It scales your opportunity, not your emotion. And here's your edge. The combination of discipline, a clear structure, and the right tools. Everything else is noise. So, are you going to keep spinning your wheels, or are you finally going to build something real? You choose. Meanwhile, I made it to the finish line. Yeah, it was a good day. Cold-blooded work, thanks to the robot for expert guidance to keep me alert. You saw the result on your screen. Subscribe. Bye.